What the fuck are you doing?
Fire.
Whisper. Good job, Whisper.
There she goes. She's dead.
You dead?
You want a treat? You want to go outside? Want some big booty bitches? Just like your old man.
Here's normal dogs. And then there's Bella. Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
He's a good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?